Creating a landing page in Constant Contact is simple. Today I'll guide you through the process. Visit the Constant Contact website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Landing Pages section, usually found in the top menu or sidebar navigation. Look for an option to create a new landing page, labeled as Create Landing Page or similar. Click on the option to start creating a new landing page. Constant Contact provides a variety of pre-designed templates for landing pages. Choose a template that best fits your needs and goals. Customize the selected template to match your branding and messaging by adding text, images, colors, and fonts. Include a form or call to action CTA on your landing page to collect visitor information or prompt them to take a specific action. Constant Contact allows easy addition of forms and CTAs using drag and drop editors. Before publishing, preview your landing page to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Test the form or CTA to verify it's working correctly. Once satisfied with the design and functionality, click on the Publish or Save button to make it live. Constant Contact will provide a unique URL for your landing page, which you can share with your audience. Promote your landing page through various channels such as email campaigns, social media, or digital advertising. Monitor the performance of your landing page and make adjustments as needed to optimize conversions. Constant Contact provides analytics and insights for your landing pages, including metrics like page views, conversions, and form submissions. Use these analytics to track performance and make data-driven decisions for improvement.